In construction, we're used to handling power tools on a daily basis. All those tools pose a risk to our health and safety. Fortunately, there are several ways to reduce the risk of injury on the job. Before beginning your task, always inspect the power tool to check that all safety devices are in place and working properly. If you notice any defects or malfunction, or if a safety device is not working properly, set the tool aside and inform your supervisor. Don't try to make the repairs yourself. Have the tool serviced by a qualified repair person that is recognized by the manufacturer. Long hair should always be tied back. Wear fitted clothing, but don't wear any jewelry, scarves, or accessories that could get caught in the tools. If you are tired, sick, distracted, or under the influence of medication, alcohol, or other substances, do not use power tools. Before you start working, make sure that your workspace is clean and clear of debris. You need to plan enough space to work safely, like a large enough cutting zone when using a saw. Before plugging in a tool, make sure the switch is in the off position. Never modify, remove, or block a safety device or a guard on a hand tool, electric tool, or pneumatic tool. If the tools are battery operated, make sure the batteries are in good condition, without any leaks or cracks. When using electric tools, make sure the cord's sheath is intact. Always leave the plug unmodified in its original condition. And make sure the housing is in good condition, without cracks, because it provides double insulation when using a tool without a grounded plug. On top of the required PPE on a construction site, some tools will require you to wear additional PPE, like safety glasses or hearing protection, for example. If the tool has rotating parts or moving blades, it is safer to work without gloves. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. The manual should be easily accessible at all times on the job site. Always keep your hands outside of the no-hands zones. Power tools should always be turned off or unplugged before changing a setting, making any adjustments, cleaning it, recharging it, or changing accessories. Make sure to always work in a stable position. Never with your arms outstretched or on your tippy toes. You should never use a tool above shoulder level. And make sure to use the right tool for the task at hand. Avoid all abrupt movements. And never force a power tool. Let it work. No matter what tool you are using, never point it towards yourself or someone else. Never use the cord to carry, move, or unplug an electrical tool. Power tools shouldn't be used in humid conditions or near flammable liquids. Once your task is done, unplug the tool and move the power cord and the extension cord out of the way. When tools aren't being used, put them away to keep them from getting damaged. If a tool isn't in use, store it carefully. Don't just toss it into the back of the trailer. When you're done, put away and clean the things that weren't taken care of during your task. And maintain your tools according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Remember, no matter the task, you can turn to the APCHQ's prevention programs and action sheets for all the safety instructions you need to know.